Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Belleville local and long-distance movers near me. Are you trying to find a cheap Belleville moving company you can count on? 3 Movers is the most trustworthy and most affordable option for local and long-distance moves. Even if you're moving internationally, we can help make the process easier. When you choose to move with us, you'll gain access to the best services and a friendly staff of professionals. A long-distance move can become stressful rather quickly. With our help and the options below, it becomes easier. Packing services, moving supplies, on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you need to move 100 miles or further, it's a long-distance move. This type of relocation requires the right team of professionals to get you there sooner. Our team will help make relocating so much easier. Are you looking for the right Canada moving company for your local move? There are plenty of options to choose from, but not all movers are the same. You want a team that uses a streamlined process to save you tons of time and energy. 3 Movers is the right local movers for you. We know how to get you settled into your new location faster and with ease. Our team of movers will take the stress out of any local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Belleville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.